What was your first performance car? Was it a stick or an automatic? And who taught you how to drive it? Any father and son project has its inherent risks. They might not get along. Mom might go crazy in the process. But in this case, Joe, he gets his first hot rod and his first stick car. He gets to hang around with Dad at the track and in the garage. For Wayne, the dad, he gets to teach Joe about engine building, how to do more with less, and how to drive a stick car. Will they get along? Well, we're going to find out as we follow this project we call Dog Bone.
Okay, we're here to talk about Project Dog Bone. We're going to start with Maddog's garage, show where we did all the work on this vehicle. My son bought a car as a roller, an 88 Mustang GT, and we rebuilt an engine and transmission for it. The reason why I call it Dog Bone is because the car has good bones. It's got a Tony's Metalcraft roll cage in it. It's got a UPR front suspension with coilover struts, adjustable rear suspension with adjustable shocks, and there it is. Nice wheels and tires. It's got the 85 Halo seats in it. It already had all the gauges in it and everything. We're just missing the engine and transmission and some of the stuff to make it street legal again. Former owner was racing 12 teens with it with a 306 short block. This is Joe, it's his car. What we started with is a 351 Windsor from an 88 Ford pickup truck that we got off of Facebook Market for $200. We polished the crank by hand, put new bearings and rings in it, cast iron rings. The cylinder heads are factory stock valve job done to it. Our friend Eric Ridenauer ported the heads a little bit, unshrouded the combustion chambers. The headers we bought used. They're for high port heads, so they had to be modified so we could use them on the vehicle. It had manual brakes. Joe's going to be driving this every day, so we just converted that to power brakes. Came with that nice radiator and fan assembly there. Everything you see under the hood we bought used just about, except for the pulley system and the water pump. Everything else is used. It's got a Streetmaster intake on it. It used Holley 750 carb with electric choke because it's a street car. If you look down here, you can see the blow-proof bell housing that we bought used. The alternator is rebuilt. It's a one-wire alternator, 12 volt. The distributor is new. It was $35 off Amazon. Transmission we bought for $100 off Facebook Marketplace. We had Bob Hanlon from Hanlon Motorsports rebuild it. Sold us a King Cobra clutch, like it's in the GT500. Said it's a little bit forgiving for the T5, so I hope it holds up. What we're looking to do is 1250s with this car. As soon as Joe gets more comfortable driving it, we're going to take it to the track and see what it'll run. This is Joe's first stick shift car. It was his idea to make it a stick shift car.
So while Joe continues to get his feet wet with 3 pedals and a shifter, we're going to whip up a short video to show you next time on how they put that engine together on the cheap. We'll also follow them out to the track as soon as they get there. In the meantime, for other low budget drag car stuff, check out Meet Agent AOD on the channel and stay tuned because we're going to have plenty more of that stuff. See you later.